Hello, seniors. From the entire Department of Psychological Science, congratulations. Best of luck. We're very proud of you. Stay in touch.
Congratulations, seniors, you did it. May you go forth in your life with flexibility, resilience, hope, and compassion. I'm wishing you all the very best. Be well.
Hey graduates! I tried to find a graduation card to help celebrate with you virtually, and this was the best I could do under the circumstances. So, congratulations! This is an amazing accomplishment, and you should all be really proud.
These extraordinary circumstances should not take anything away from what you've just accomplished. It's absolutely amazing. Congratulations to each and every one of you.
Hi seniors, it's Professor Abide. Thank you so much for all of your hard work and positive energy these past few years. It has been such a pleasure to have you as part of our community in psychological science. Remember that you're still part of that community even after you graduate. We'll always be here for you. We miss you already, and congratulations.
Congratulations, graduates. We are so all very, 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 very proud of you. You'll do great things.
Congratulations, UVM Psychological Science majors graduating 2020. Dr. Seuss gives the very best advice for life transitions, so here you go. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. If you read with your eyes shut, you're likely to find the place where you're going is far, far behind. So that's why I tell you to keep your eyes wide, keep them wide open, at least on one side. Keep reading, keep learning, you'll go far in life. Congratulations.
Congratulations on your graduation. You're about to encounter many opportunities for change from the personal level to the global level. One of my favorite behavioral neuroscientists, Robert Sapolsky, said, "I love science, and it pains me to think that so many are terrified of the subject or feel that choosing science means you cannot also choose compassion or the arts or be awed by nature. Science is not meant to cure us of mystery, but to reinvent and reinvigorate it." So I hope that you will take your critical thinking skills, your compassion, and apply them to all of the new mysteries that you will encounter.
Hello everyone, I'm Shamila Leka. I want you to know how very proud we are of all of you. Remember, you don't need to have it all figured out. Just take the first step. I wish you the very best and peace of mind always.
Dear psychology graduates, this is Costa Cepeda Benito, and I want to congratulate you for graduating during very difficult circumstances. So more power to you. Good luck in your life.
Hi, Psych Seniors. This is Annie Marie Close. Just wanted to say congratulations on finishing up the semester. It clearly was not the easiest semester to have for your senior year and to be finishing. And we're really going to miss you, and I know that you're going to do amazing things. Please keep in touch with us. Congratulations.
Congratulations, seniors. Sorry we can't be together to do this all together, but good luck with everything.
Hi everyone. I just wanted to say congratulations to all of you. We are so proud of you in the psych department and at UVM. I know that this was not an easy time for you, but those of you that I have worked with and that I've had in my class, I've just been amazed by the strength that you've shown, and I'm sure that's true for all of you. So I wish you all the best, and I hope that you take the strength that you've shown this semester into the rest of your life. Good luck.
Hello, psychological science seniors. We're so very proud of your accomplishments and wishing we could be there with you in person to celebrate this momentous occasion. So please, please keep in touch with us and let us know how you're doing after graduation, and know that we're all thinking of you on what would have been your in-person graduation day. Good luck, and please keep in touch. Goodbye.
Hi, graduating seniors. Congratulations for completing your degree here at the University of Vermont. We are so proud of all that you have accomplished over the last several years. I can't think of a workforce that we need more right now than those who can help people deal with stressful times. We're so happy that you're prepared to go off and do this, and we wish you the very best. But I hope that you have some time right now to celebrate, reflect on your accomplishments, and get ready for the next step in your job. We're so proud of you.
Congratulations, graduates. Enjoy all that you have accomplished, and I wish you the best.
Congratulations to all graduating seniors on all your accomplishments throughout your college years. And I'd like to give a special shout out to the Connecting Cultures Lab seniors. Thank you for all you've done. The whole team will miss you. And thanks for the assistance you've given to so many refugees.
Hello, seniors. This is Dr. Stickel. Congratulations. You should be very proud. You have done something amazing. You have finished, graduated during a very challenging time. You should be proud, and as we are proud of you. Good luck and take care.
Hey, graduating seniors, you made it. Congratulations. Way to go. Best of luck in the future.
I'm Rex Forhan, a faculty member in psychological science. I want to congratulate all of you on completing your degree in psychology and wish you the best for the future.
Congratulations, graduates 2020. This is Judy Christensen from the Department of Psychological Science, along with my colleagues, adding to their congratulations on a job well done and recognizing a difficult time that you've been through. Here's something that I want to say, and it comes from a quote from Jodie Foster, which may tell you something about what I like, but at any rate, here's what she said. It speaks to me because I went through the same thing when I was making my transition out of college. There is nothing more beautiful than finding your course as you believe you bob aimlessly in the current. Wouldn't you know that your path was there all along, waiting for you to knock, waiting for you to become? This path does not belong to your parents, your teachers, your leaders, or your lovers. Your path is your character, defining itself more and more every day, like a photograph coming into focus. So as you come into focus, as you move into the world, as scary as it may seem right now, I know you will be successful. I know you will make a difference. And I am just pleased that I could play a small part in that process. Good luck to all of you, and I hope you let us all know how you're doing.
From the lofty peaks of Mansfield to the shores of Lake Champlain comes a mighty swelling chorus whose echoes will remain. Vermont, 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 our university. Thy loyal sons and daughters sing in love and praise to thee.